Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome back, hey. So today I'm really excited because I just sat down. Every now and then in life, I feel like you're so inspired by something, you just get so excited and you just gotta do something. Well, that's just what happened to me. I was enjoying my free time, scrolling through Instagram, as a lot of us do in our free time. I saw this beautiful eyeshadow look created with the new Natasha Denona Sunrise palette. Of course, I do not have that palette, but that didn't discourage me from wanting to create the look either way. And as you can see, this is what I came up with. So if you're interested in seeing what the original looks like versus what I created and or how I created this look, then stay tuned. There are a few different choices that I'm going to use for today's look. The Morphe and Jaclyn Hill Ring the Alarm palette. I feel like this palette is a given when trying to create this look with another palette of any kind. And then I'm also going to use the Profusion Amber Eyes palette. It's got a few of the deeper shades in here that I think would complement this look as well. Also going to use one of the Fenty highlighters. So let's try it. This is the goal. We're just gonna see what happens. We start with a transition shade high up in the upper transition. We know I love the Morphe E27, but I feel like the Morphe JH36 is just a little denser. Let's see if we can get it done with this. First shade I'm gonna use is the Alert color. I'm going in twice because I feel like the color was not spared on this look. Next, I'm going to take a good crease brush using the Morphe M441. And we're going to go in with the next deepest shade, which is the color Siren. We're eventually going to go in with this shade here, which is framed, but I want to build up to it. And Siren is just a bit lighter than that color. In my haste, I dipped into Siren. Don't want to put Siren on just yet. So I'm going to grab another crease brush. This one's going to be the JH32. That's the good thing about having multiples of the same type of brush. Now I'm taking Siren, hit just the outer corners. Now I'm going to grab a flat shader brush. This is the Morphe M433. Taking the color Bomb Ass, a lot redder. I'm just going to focus it in the middle. Now I'm going to take the Morphe JH41 all over the lid brush. I'm going to grab this color Bite, this really bright color in the Profusion Amber Eyes palette. Spritz it down with some MAC Fix Plus. Take it just right up the center. Spritzing it really gets it to hold on. And I'm going to take the same brush that I was using, not taking any more product, and I'm just going to blend out in that crease. Flyaway hair there. I want to take a bit more of that fiery red, the shade Bomb Ass, onto the flat shader and kind of fill in around. Just kind of blending the triangle out into more of a circle. A tad bit more of that beautiful fiery color on the lid. On top of that center shade, I want to take the color Certain in the Amber Eyes palette. And I'm doing this with the JH42 by Morphe. And that just adds a bit more fire to the color. Fire has so many beautiful colors in it, so when you're mimicking, there's a lot of different options to play with. Now I want to deepen up the outer third or the outer V with a nice deep rich brown. I'm trying to decide between the colors Secret in the Jaclyn Hill palette and Cozy in the Profusion palette. I think I'm gonna go in with Secret. Take my Luxie 243. It's very dense. The hairs are longer than say my JH40 that I really like to use. The Luxie brush is just a bit taller on the hairs. Almost got a smoky effect, which makes sense because it's a fiery look. So now to highlight this look, I'm going to take my Morphe M124 and I'm going to go in with the color On Camera. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the color Siren again and I'm going to blend out right under. Now to really make it pop, I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty highlighter in the color Trophy Wife and a different Morphe M124 brush. Pop that highlight right in the center of the brow bone. I'm going to go back into the Jaclyn Hill palette and take the color Alert, which was that orange color we took in our transition. Blend that Fenty color out with it. I'm going to take my Luxie brush, not taking any more of the product, just taking the outer V and blending it down into the lower lash. To complete the eye look, I'm going to take my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara and the upper lash. And I'm actually not going to wear any lashes with this look because the model in the picture actually doesn't wear any falsies. So I'm just going to do my own lashes. Look how much volume this mascara adds compared to this eye. It does a little something, you know. So now I've placed the top lash and I'm actually now going to take my Avon True Color Love at First Lash. I reviewed this mascara in my most recent video. If you haven't seen it, I'll leave it linked down below, but I really love this mascara for the bottom lash. And I am going to do a very fine eyeliner. It's not going to be my typical long winged look that I do. And I'm using my beloved Architect eyeliner for this one. And now I'm going to take the Starlux Black Ultra Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil in my waterline. So now I'm going to complete the rest of my face and then we're going to come back and discuss this look. So I have my face on and we are almost to the completed look. Not quite there. I am highlighted to the sky because you can see me from a mile away, but who cares? We play with makeup. I'm gonna finish this eye look because now that I have my face on, I want to go in and complete the lower lash. I'm gonna take the Morphe M431 and I'm actually gonna take the color Bite that we put in the middle of the eye there in the lower lash. Look at that, oh my gosh. And this is gonna be the completed look, guys. I did go in with a nude lip. This is Kylie Cosmetics Brown Sugar. It is a little washed out, I understand, but that is because the eye look is so fiery. I kind of wanted to mute it down a little bit. I think I might add a little True Brown K around the outer lip. Let's see. Two things. I actually want to go in with a bit more blushed Alamar Toasted. Now I'm going to take True Brown K and go around the outer lip. What are we thinking, guys? So that is it for this look. I hope you enjoyed it. I do, but let me know how you think I did. Obviously, it's not the same look, but it is the inspiration for this look. Again, this was done with Natasha Denona, which is a different grade and quality of eyeshadows, let me tell you. I really wish I can get my hands on this palette. It's such a beautiful palette, again called the Sunrise palette. I just kind of had to go with what I had and I'm pleased with the outcome. I bet if I threw some lashes on top of this, honey, you wouldn't be able to tell me a thing. So I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Also, the winner for the May giveaway is listed in the description box below. And I'm doing the giveaway a little different for the month of June. I'm not going to announce it in this video, but I will be announcing it very soon, so stay tuned. If you're new to my channel, my name is Brittany. I love makeup. If you do too, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below because I would love to have you join the Brittany fam, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.